Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GALA token. The price line of GALA has broken out another very significant resistance of this bearish pennant. Before this, we had a very nice breakout that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 16th of September. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here at the Patreon on the daily basis, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. So this was the chart that I shared on 16th of September, and you can see that the price line broke out this resistance of this falling wedge, and I told my members that as per this falling wedge pattern, our next target can be 5.3 cents. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line continued its move to the upside. That was really very big bullish move, and that was more than 200% move. You can see that the price line move up to 14.6 cents and move down again. Right now the price line is moving at 9.4 cents. Now let's move to this live chart. Here after this breakout, this was the previous breakout, you can see this was, and after this previous breakout the price line has formed another bearish pennant, and recently it has broken out this resistance of the bearish pennant, and here you can see beautifully it has retested the previous resistance of this pennant as a support and moved up. Here we had another resistance, the price level resistance that is at 9.1 cents. This line you can see, and it has been breaking as a very strong support here. You can see when the price line was rejected by this resistance of this bearish pennant, moved down, used this level as a support, again moved down and rejected, had another bounce by this support, and again moved down for a while. The price line broke down, moved up again, and finally broke down this support completely, and recently we are again moved above this support level that was previously working as a resistance. Now it has turned into the support again. And if I zoom this chart out, then you can see this red line is the 100 simple moving average, and by the way this is the 4-hourly time frame chart. And you can see at the same time, while the price line has broken out this 9.1 cents support level, at the same time the price action is also breaking out this 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart at the same time. So now this 100 simple moving average on the 4-hourly time frame can work as a very nice support along with this price level support of 9.1 cents. If I show you some oscillators here, then previously we can see that this RSI, this is the RSI oscillator, it was forming lower lows and lower highs, and right now you can see that it has started forming higher highs and higher lows. That is showing us that the oscillators are also turning bullish now, and the price line has after a long time has formed another higher high, another higher low. And if we take a look at the directional movement index, this is really very important indicator to determine whether the trend has been changed to bullish or bearish. And here we can see that previously when we received this blue line was above this orange line, that was the buying signal by the directional movement index. This is the positive directional index, this blue line, and this orange line is the negative directional index. Whenever this blue line crosses up this orange line, that is the buying signal, and whenever this orange line crosses up the blue line, that is sell signal. So we received this buying signal here, and you can see we had a very powerful move that was more than 200%. And this is the ADX, this pink line you can see, this is the ADX that shows the power of bears or bulls. For example, here we had the blue line above this orange line that was showing that bulls are in power, and if the ADX is up, that is showing the power of bulls at that time. Right now we can see again we have this blue line above this orange line, and ADX has just started moving up. Once it will be moved up, it will be showing at that time that bulls are now in power, and we are having a very bullish trend right now. Like previously we had this orange line above this blue line, but you can see that this ADX was not moving up. sometime it was moving up but moved down, and if we take a look at the price action, then it was moving sideways. Therefore we did not have extreme sell-off here. For a while we had a sell-off, we had a rejection by this bearish pennant, the resistance of this bearish pennant, but we did not have extreme sell-off like we had extreme buying here. So right now we after a long time we have again received this buying signal. You can see that this blue line has crossed up this orange line here, and exactly when the blue line was crossing up this orange line, the direction, the positive directional index crossed up this orange line, exactly at that moment you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, the price action broke out this resistance of this bearish pennant, and after breakout the price line retested the previous resistance as a support. This is the beauty of this breakout, and I am considering it as a perfect breakout, because after retesting we also had the closing above this level, that is the highest price of this candlestick, on which the price line this resistance of the bearish pennant was broken out, and we also had another price level resistance, and the price action has also broken out that resistance as well. Therefore I'm considering it, I'm expecting it as a very perfect breakout. Previously when we had this breakout, if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high of the same candlestick, then we can see that we had a rally even beyond 1.618 Fibonacci extension, and right now after this breakout we can expect another such rally. But let me just show you the target of this bearish pennant as well. If I place this trend line up to from this tail of this pennant up to the support and place it here, then our imminent next target can be approximately at 13.5 cents. However, if I place this Fibonacci tool from this high to this low again, and we are as I'm expecting that it can hit the Fibonacci extension 1.618 again, then we can have another move up to 21 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.